Good morning, boys and girls. I'm going to go ahead and get slided into our morning message. Today is our Friday. We know it's not really Friday, right? We just don't have school on Friday, so that means today is the last day that you guys have to do some work for the week. Unless mom or dad say so, right? All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Good morning with exclamation point and a capital letter. I like that. Today is... What was yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday, so let's go through the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, right? I put a capital T because it's the specific name of the day. Today's Thursday, April 9th, 2020. And if you guys look at my weather, today it is going to be a rainy day. It's supposed to have actually a hailstorm. So that's like balls of ice that come out of the cloud. So I put that it's going to be a rainy day. We're still in spring. We know that there's lots of rain during the springtime. Our digital date is 4-9-20. And then we have only 2 activities to do today during our morning message. All right. It says, let's sound out and write the words in the ut or UT word family. We know that ut would be the onset rhyme, right? So we have a picture of this. We know that the ending sounds are ut. What is this picture of? Can you see what that picture's of? Let me scoot it forward. It's a hut. Say hut. Hut. What's the initial sound that you hear on that word? Hut. The letter H. Nice. Hut. All right, the next one, we have a picture, something that everyone in our class loves to do. What are these scissors being used for? If we know that the ending sounds are ut, what's the initial sound? Cut. Right? Cut. And then the last one, we have a picture of some of you guys would say a peanut, but this is actually just a nut this time. And we know that we would sound that out and it would be N. What letter is that? N. N. U. T. Nut. Good job. All right, here we go on our last part of our morning message for the week. Here we have some shamrocks. We talked about these last month in March. They're known to be lucky. So it says, let's write how many 10s and how many 1s there are in each set. So I am going to scoot you guys just a tiny bit further down so you can see it. We know that this rectangle here is called a tens frame. So if we know that there is a shamrock in every single spot, we know that how many shamrocks are there just in here, just in this frame? 10, right? So how many sets of 10 do I have? How many of these rectangles do I have? Just 1, right? So I have 1 set of 10. And then how many 1s? We know that the 1s are the leftover. They're not inside the 10s grid. So we have 1, 2, 3. So it says 1 and 3. 1 10 and 3 1s. How many is that all together? So if we have 10 here and we count up 3 more, so 10, 11, 12, 13. Good. Then the next part, we have the actual numbers that we would add together. So how many are in the tens frame? 10, right? So 10. And then how many did we have that were left outside the tens frame? 3. And when we add them together, we get 10 plus 3 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I would put 13 again. It's the very same answer. We just wrote it 2 different ways. All right, on the last one, we have a picture of some shamrocks again. We have, how many tens frames do we have? The rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1 10 frame, so we have 1 of those, right? And then how many 1s do we have left over that are outside the tens frame? These are these shamrocks below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, right? And then if we add them together, that would be 1, 10, and 6. So if we start at 10 and we count up 6 more, so start at 10, don't even look at these shamrocks. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good. And then the next section down below, again, we have our tens. Again, how many shamrocks are there in this tens frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I put 10. And then how many were left out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I know that 10 plus 16 is, 10 plus 6, oh my goodness. 10 plus 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 again. Remember, that is the same answer. We just wrote them two different ways. And that's it. I will see you back soon. Bye, guys.